got it now. So sorry, let's this is Taunan paper 1 2021. Okay, come back to this question. Okay, question 10, right? Yeah, you can count them, you can actually list them if you want to 71. Actually, not that difficult. List them to 71, it's not difficult. But if you do not want, okay, let me teach you the calculation method instead of listing. What if it's not 71? What is 170 something, right? Then you're not going to do this. So if you are going to solve this question using calculation, you need to understand what you need to identify the pattern. So the pattern goes by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's one pattern. Then go on, the next pattern will be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the patterns always end with an odd number. The next number is an even number. Okay, so although it ends with an odd number, each pattern consists of 8 digits. Right. So what I will do is I will try this. So let me get a pen out. So I'll have 71. I need to plus 1. Because the first number is actually 0. So I just make it to I'll have to minus 1 later. 72. Okay? Because the first number is a 0. I'll have to minus that 1 later. So 72 divided by 8. What do you get?
9.
9. So if it is a 9, it is there's no remainder, right? If it's no remainder, it has to be in column A. Agree? If there's a remainder, it will not be in column B, it will be in another column. So this is how you can conclude which column is. Say example, if there's an odd number, if there's a remainder 1, then it will be actually if there's remainder 1, it's still column A, you know, it's still column A. Remainder 2 will go to this. Remainder 1, it will still be column A. Remainder 2 will go to column B. Remainder 3 will go to column C. Got it? So this is how you use remainder to calculate, look at the pattern. Now let's look at any other questions? Any question besides question 10? Let me suggest some question.
I don't think I need any questions except question 10.
What about question 28?
Yes.
Are you okay with 28? What about 29? And 30? Okay, I tell you what, I'll just go 38, 29, 30 because I think that question, that 3 questions is quite difficult. Okay, let's do 28. So 28 is here. So the question is find the area of the figure. So the area of square is pretty easy, obviously, right? And I need to find area of square is 5 times 5. So this 5 times 5. Okay, now let's talk about this triangle. What are these 2 triangles are identical triangles. Keyword. So if they are identical triangles and if these are right angles, if this is 3, this has to be 3, right? If this is 4, this has to be 4. Make sense? So the length of BC will be 7. So what about it? So we can find the area of this figure. So area of this triangle is half times something wrong with this pen. 4 times 3 and you get 6. Area of this triangle is half times 4 times 3 again. You also get 6. Area of this rectangle is 2 times 7. You get 14. So area of the figure will be simply 25 plus 6 plus 6 plus 14. Okay, so 25 plus 6 plus 6 plus 14. And you will get 51. Okay, let's look at question number 29. Mr. Tao saved 40% of his salary. When he increased his savings by 20%, he would have $400 less to spend. How
So
much
isn't
was
the-
his salary? Huh?
Isn't the 400 the 20%?
400 is when he increased savings by 20%, he will have.
Isn't it the 20?
Yeah, you can say that. You can say that. Huh. Okay. 400 is 20%. Sounds like, yeah, I think so. What's your answer? But I didn't do that way, you know. So whatever you increase is also when you increase your savings, your spending is reduced. Yeah, 400 is 20%. Is a 20%.
My answer is 2,000.
Okay, let me show you my method first. Then I will try to use your method to solve. So Mr. Tao saved 40% salary. So salary is you have let a salary 100 units or 100%. I call it 100 units easier. Okay, so you have spending, and then you have savings, right? SA savings, SP spending. So saved 40%. Spending is 60%, opposite of. Okay, 100 units, 40 units savings, 60 units spending. Simplify, you get divided by 20, you get 3. Okay, don't simplify first because you know why? Because I need the common base. The common base is it is still is the salary. So salary actually didn't change. Right, they didn't say that they changed the salary one. Salary stays as 100 units. So I will say this way. If I simplify this, then I'm not matching with this 100 units anymore. So that's why I didn't simplify. Okay, now the only change is that the savings percentage change, right? So savings is now increase his savings by increased by 20%. Increased by 20% is not 40 plus 20. It is not. It is 20% more on this 40. You understand what I'm talking about? Increase his savings by 20%. This saving is 40 units, right? I increase this 40 units by extra 20%, which means it is what? 20 over 100 times 40 units. So the savings increased by 8 units. So from 40 units, it increased by 20%. Your savings is now 48 units. So Danny, 20% is you cannot use 20% exactly equal to 400. You must be 20% of 40 units equal to 400.
My answer is wrong.
Yeah. I guess this is how you. So these 8 units is $400. It's not 20 units, $400. You see what I meant? It was 40 units savings, increased to 48 units. And this extra 8 units is this $400 less. Or you can look at the spending. From 60 units of spending, Mr. Tao's spending is now 52 units. So spending dropped by 8 units. So the 8 units is $400. That's how I do it. Okay? You can do this 52, 50 minus 50 units, 8 units. So 8 units is equal to $400. So 1 unit is equal to something on my pen. I keep not writing it out.
Teacher Jason, I think you made a mistake.
Who?
You, because
Yeah,
you
what?
52 unit minus 50 unit
Oh, sorry,
equal
sorry. 60, 60 minus 52. You don't miss it. This is 60. I see only. I thought 50. 60 units minus 52. 8 units. Okay. Thanks for pointing out. Is this minus this? 8. So $50 is 1 unit. Salary is 100 units, right? So 100 times $50. $5,000. Okay. Now, question 30, last question. So Nora bought a packet of milk. Sorry?
Is the answer 5 for question
Yeah, 5.
30?
How do you get 5? Okay, there's like sort of a listing method to get 5. I just want to show you the method. No guessing on it. So actually have to calculate. So Nora bought a packet of milk for 85 cents, a banana muffin for $1.40. She gave the cashier $5. She received a change all in coins. What is the least number of coins Nora would have received? So not really, this question is not really guessing on it, some calculation involved. I mean, if you want to guess, there also must be a logical way of guessing. Right? So the milk is 85 cents. The muffins is 140. So altogether, you spend how much? You got to show this, hello, everybody. In exams, I got to show this. You got, even if you are guessing, you got to show how you guess the answer. You cannot just put an answer here and then everything blank here. Something wrong with my pen. I can't write.
You try shaking the pen.
No, I don't know. I got to maybe I have to restart my computer or something. Anyway, it's too late to do this. So this is how much Nora spent. And she gave the cashier $5, right? So she will get this change. She'll get a change of $2.75. Okay, then how do you present your answer? They want the least number of coins. So of course, the least number of coins, you pay the largest denomination. The largest denomination is $1 coin, right? You got to there's no other coin that is larger than $1. Maybe there is, I don't know. Long time ago, I thought I saw $10 coin. But anyway, it's not relevant here. Okay. So the largest coin is a $1 coin. So you get two $1 coin first. Two $1 coin. And that will give you $2. Now it's got 75 cents, right? So the next denomination will be 50 cents. So 1 50-cent coin.
Is this the last question?
Yeah. Then 1 20-cent coin. it may be easy, may look easy to you, but that's not the point. The point is, how do you present the solution? This is how you present the solution. Then 1 5-cent coin. Something wrong with my dispenser. Okay, then add up all these. 2 plus, show this, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 5. That's how you show and present your answer. Okay, that's all, everybody. If you have another question, I'll talk to you again next week. Okay, bye-bye.